Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create game pass. So first of all, open the browser and search for roblox. So go to official website of roblox, which is roblox.com. so just open this website and click on the continue in browser. Once the roblox open the website in desktop side mode, and now click on this create option. When we click on it, now we have to go to, or we have to choose manage my experiences. Just click on it. So now you will find, or you will see the interface is a bit different before earlier, so compared to earlier. So just click on this game, or this basically experience. Click on it, and once this is open, just click on this three bar, and you will find more option here. Just click on this associated items. Now you will find easily here the passes. So now click on the passes and click on create a pass. Now what you can do, all the starts are similar and same. So just click on upload image and choose the image that you want to upload. So I just uploaded a alphabet image. Here you can type the description. So it's just a demo. So I just type the simple description here. You can type it more. So once you are done with this, just click on the create pass. Whenever you get done with your pass, just choose it. So now guys, we have to set it up for the sale. So just click on the sale option here, tap on it, and now you have to select this option. Just enable this option, item for sale, and now you can put the roblox price cost. So I'm gonna put 20 robux. So the creator earning will be 14 robux. If I put 20, so you will get 70% of it. So just save it. So once it is saved, you can open the please donate game on your roblox and put it up for the sale. Fine. So this is a new update, and if you still confused, so I just put the alphabet image here. So it is just for the demo, so don't mind it. And guys, if you want to put it up for the sale, you can open the roblox the please donate game on roblox, and you can put up for the sale. If you want to know how to do that, you can watch my earlier video on that. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.